Good morning children. How are you all? Welcome to the learning world. So, yesterday have you practiced the textbook page number 5 and have you posted to your concerned class teacher? Yes my dear children, you have to do it. And today we will write textbook page number 6. Before we will go for textbook work, what we have to do? We have to note down our homework. You have to note. I will give homework on the board and you have to note down in your homework book. All of you take out English small copy. English small copy. Write down date 29/9. First one, father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Second one, mother. Second one, mother. See, capital M you have to write in 3 lines. All are writing in this way. This is wrong. You have to write in this way. Okay. Now all of you open your textbook page number 6. Textbook page number 6. Have you noted down your homework? First one, father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. You have to write full page with neat handwriting. Okay, and after that you have to post this homework to your concerned class teacher also. Today textbook page number 6. Textbook page number 6. See, look at the picture. Now listen carefully. Match the people with the pictures. Write A, B, C, D in the boxes given below. See, there is a small mistake in that printing. No need to write A, B, C, D in that boxes. First of all, you have to write the names alternately. How I am writing, same way you have to write. See, 4 boxes are given. No? First box you write on, below the box Rani, R-A-N-I, Rani. Below the first box you write down here Rani, below the box. Second one, grandmother. Below the second box write down grandmother. Next, below the third box you write on cousin brother, cousin brother. Below the fourth box you have to write grandfather, G-A-R-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R, grandfather. Now, above these pictures, grandmother, grandfather, Rani and cousin brother. See, Raja he is a small baby in that lesson, no? We have learned that Raja is a small baby, no? So, above that pictures, you write down names, 1, 2, numbers, sorry, not names. Now, first one, who is she? She is grandmother. So, match to this box, grandmother. Okay. Second one, who is he? He is grandfather. So, fourth box, below the fourth box we have written grandfather. So, you have to match it, grandfather. Second, number 1 to grandmother, number 2 grandfather. Next, number 3, Rani. Where is Rani? Third picture and Rani, R-A-N-I. Rani, match it. Okay. Now, fourth one. Who is he? He is cousin brother of Rani. So, number 4, you match it. Okay. First one, grandmother. Second one, grandfather. Third one, Rani. Fourth one, cousin brother. Now, next one. Now, next one. The English alphabet has 26 letters. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. There are 26 alphabets. How many? 26, A to Z. In this A, E, I, O, U, these 5 special letters are called vowels. Vowels. Yes or no? We have learned many times. Yes or no? So, say the words aloud. H-A-T, hat. P-A-T, pat. R-A-T, rat. H-A-T, hat. A sound, vowel sound. Likewise, this one P-T. This is your homework. You have to write it. Okay. R-T. Second one, G-E-T, get. Likewise, remaining 2 words, E sound words. This is A sound word and this is E sound words. S-T, L-T. Third one, S-I-T. F-T, H-T. I sound words. Fourth one, P-O-T, O sound words. C-T, H-T. Fifth one, H-U-T, hut, U sound words. C-T, B-T. This is A sound words, H-A-T, hat, then P-T, R-T. Second one, G-E-T, get, E sound words. S-T, L-T. S-I-T, sit, I sound words. F-T, H-T. P-O-T, pot, O sound words. C-T, H-T. H-U-T, hut, U sound words. C-T, B-T. U sound words. All of you take your diary and write down today's diary work. 29/9/2020. First one is Telugu column, second one Hindi and English, third one. Note down diary work. Do the given work. Do the given work. Nothing else. See, A sound words you have to write A. For E sound words E, I sound words I, O and U. After writing, post to your concerned class teacher. That's all for today. Thank you.